If you have a love for architectural style homes in LA County, bungalow, craftsman style, modern, Mediterranean, Tudor style, this video is for you. Welcome to Everything LA Real Estate. Today we are exploring the fascinating world of architectural style homes in LA County. From historic gems to modern marvels, LA County is home to some of the most unique style of properties that reflect its rich culture and history. So today let's dive into some of those styles. First up, we have the Craftsman Bungalows. Originating in the early 20th century, these homes are known for their low-pitched roofs, wide eaves, and beautiful wooden details. The interiors often have exposed beams, a cozy fireplace, which creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Normally, I've seen these charming homes in Pasadena and Echo Park area. Next, let's talk about the mid-century modern homes. This style took off in the 1940s and 50s and is characterized by its clean lines, large windows, and seamless integration with nature. Homes often have open floor plans and are designed to bring the outdoors in. You'll find mid-century homes throughout LA County, from Hollywood Hills to La Cañada, Flint Ridge. Now, we gotta switch gears and definitely talk about Spanish style homes. Spanish style architecture, also known as Spanish colonial or Spanish revival, is usually inspired by the Spanish missions. It's characterized by stucco and adobe exteriors, red clay tiles, as far as the roof goes, arched doorways and windows. This style often features wrought iron details, beautiful courtyards and balconies. Inside you'll find decorative tile work, exposed beams, plastered walls. It's truly a beautiful style home. You'll definitely find Spanish style homes in Glendale, Silver Lake, Hancock Park, and other cities as well. Another beloved architectural home is definitely the Mediterranean style. Inspired by the coastal villas of Spain, Italy, and Greece, these homes feature stucco walls, red tile roofs, has a grand arched entryways. You'll often see wrought iron balconies, decorative tiles throughout, lush courtyards that transport you to the seaside villas. You could definitely find Mediterranean style of homes all over LA County. Beverly Hills, Brentwood, La Cañada, Flint Ridge, Glendale, Burbank. It is truly a beautiful style home. Moving on to beautiful modern homes. Modern homes are characterized by their emphasis on clean, simple lines, functional design, and the use of modern materials like steel, glass, and concrete. Think open floor plan, high ceilings, smart home technology. You'll have natural light flowing throughout the property. You'll have beautiful indoor and outdoor spaces. So it's truly one of the best looking properties in LA County. You'll find a lot of modern homes in Sherman Oaks, Encino, Tarzana. You'll see a lot of these in basically the San Fernando Valley. Another interesting style is the Tudor Revival homes. A Tudor home, also known as Tudor Revival, is an architectural style inspired by the English cottages. These homes are easily recognizable by their pitched roofs. Interior, you'll often include wood paneling, arched doorways, and cozy and intimate spaces. You'll find Tudor-style homes in Glendale, La Cañada, Flint Ridge, and other similar cities. So there you have it, a quick tour of the diverse architectural style homes that grace LA County. Which one resonates with you the most? Comment below. And if you're here for the first time, welcome to Everything LA Real Estate. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video.